it is. Custom made.
Oh, nice.
Look how that works. I didn't make it either. Somebody else. Sportster parts. Alright, one of these. Probably that one right there. Boom. Boom. Okay. Press. Full load. Okay. Key's on the bottom, so I'm going to put the key on the top. I'm going to try to manipulate the hole. Be better than what it was. 5-6 times the pressure we're doing on that. About 5 times each time. A little better. Still pretty bad, but better. I don't feel the key hitting it at all. It's not the key sticking up. So. Yeah, this doesn't have a high spot. It's just the flywheel is way out of round.
Mm-hmm.
Which is going to make it fun to...
You say it's in the nut coming loose?
Yeah. Just way out of whack. So you can look at it with the camera. The shiny spots are where that's hitting. Dull is not. So see how it's hitting at the very bottom down there, about this far from the bottom, and then the whole upper part is not hitting. See how that is? So this taper, you can see the mark here on this too. See the mark rubbing heavy here, and not here. So this and this do not match each other at all.
Oh, good.
Now when you tighten that nut all up, where's it going to be tight at?
Bottom.
Yeah. Well, is it going to pull more tight than anywhere else, or is it going to do what it fucking wants and come loose again? So it's not a very good flywheel, obviously. So one thing you can do is you can take a bunch of lapping compound and push on it and try to get it to kind of come in a little bit better. You put it lathe and recut it. You can only do that until the bottom's out here, then it doesn't work anymore. But that moves the whole flywheel toward the left side of the case when you do that, obviously. So, we have issues. Where's your old shaft? Bring me your old shaft. Now we don't know if this shaft's made wrong or not. You know, this one's not very good. See, it matches.
Definitely matches better.
Yep.
Much better.
Much better. It's locked. So even though it looks like crap, this one fits.
It's the one.
This one here does not match does not fit. It's in the eastern part. Just because it's American made doesn't mean it's any good. I don't know if that's made wrong or these two are just mated to each other, most likely.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter, it matches. So even though it looks like crap, it's better. Now it's stuck in there because someone pressed on it. That's okay. You know how to press on parts too. See how tight it is. Not very. It wasn't tight enough to be pressed in very hard. It was tight enough to be where I couldn't get it out. Now we don't know how this is going to true up or do anything else, but key is straight ahead. Yeah, I think I'm on the key right there, it's hard to tell. 5 tons. Good for your knuckle. Cleared it. More comfortable in my hand.
You're learning.
Yeah. Me stupid once, not twice. Now we look for what kind of mark we're getting. See now it's picking up some press marks on the top here. Still most of it's not contacting, but a little bit of it is. So it's better than it was. Let's see, that's the mark up there.
You get it right up.
What's that mark from? It's something else. So, I think what we do is so I might take off this sharp edge right here, and we got the key over there to see how good the key fits in there, but this is all low from here to here, I know that, so. It's getting worse, not better. Getting all the high spots worn in. Well, luckily it hasn't broken out the whole side of it yet, so it's just got a lip on the high spot. It's going back and forth like this, bum, 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 eating on it. Okay, so I think we're going to reuse this because it's better than this other one where it doesn't fit at all. It's just totally different. Different angle, they're half a degree or degree off, I don't know what the hell they're cut at. Somebody ain't happy. So if they're not happy, we're not happy. I'm not happy either way. Oh well, here's what it is. Okay, so this is a broken case. Got some issue with maybe a connecting rod or something. Actually, I think what happened is probably they were in an accident, a cylinder's hit. Got hit hard with the frame. It buckled the frame, snapped the cylinders off, snapped the case off. If the connecting rod broke, it would blow out the whole bottom of the case.
Yeah, makes sense.
So this is probably accident damage. Of course, I don't have the missing parts, but that doesn't mean I won't make a race bike go around it. We're good for doing that. They're pretty good. Rust. Oh, that was 6 tons. Through there too. Ah, rust. Ah, more rust. to be rust in there. I'm shocked this rusty case has rust in it.
Never sleeps.
You can tell it was a very low rust motor, see by the amount of corrosion in the races. So, these you can buy anywhere. This you cannot. So keep this piece. These you can buy at an auto parts store. Probably for the truck or something, who knows. So don't throw away the good important parts. What was the other part you don't dick with?
Oh, retaining ring?
Don't take the stupid retaining ring out.
Yeah.
I'm not sure you can get that thing out of there. It's probably a pretty good job to get that out, I bet.
I don't remember.
It's not going to come out easy, I know that. I'm not even sure how I'm going to get it out of there. We'll figure that out. It's going to be done with a screwdriver and a prick and a punch and a bit of sweat and piss and moaning and all kinds of good
Cussing, we'll get cussing. Oh, we can't cuss on YouTube.
We can, but we don't like to. Try to keep it PG around here. Okay, let's see if we can break this case in the first shot.
Let's not do that.
Why?
It's the only one I have. And I hear they're hard to find.
Yep. Only if you're looking for one. See, this isn't a twin cam, it doesn't break when you push on it unsupported. Kind of like a twin turd or a newer case, it's weak as hell. There we go. Tool works good, huh?
Yep. Sure does.
Another non-gems tool I used to make back in the day that works good. Okay. Clean. Not exactly round though, see all the unevenness?
Mm-hmm.
See all the chatter marks when they push it in?
Yep.
I think they had a out of balance condition on their cutter. Either that, whoever made this had the same problem. My guess is that's the problem, not this. This problem's on the inside. See all the acid etching in there?
Mm-hmm.
Pits in there. Okay, this is ready for blasting. We'll be back.